Hello everyone, I'm Dad Scott and today I'm doing a vlog. If you don't know what I'm doing, I got my filter right here. This is only vanilla. So I'm doing the no burping challenge. Let's get started. I can use this cloth for this too. The reason I'm using a straw is because it's easy for me to use. So my goal is to go down to the label without piping. Because this is the 1 liter bottle. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn my notification bell on, and comment down below and write in the comment what your favorite seltzer flavor is. I'm curious of what it is. My favorite is the cranberry lime. My other favorite is raspberry lime too, but my other favorite is mandarin orange. I think the Stop Shop brand is because it's more like carbonated than these. Because the brand is Polar. It's one of my favorites, but I prefer the Stop Shop brand. I feel a pipe this right here in my throat, or in my chest, like you say, both. And I'm trying to hold it in. Mm. And the other thing I want to tell you guys is to turn your notification bell on also, so you know that you're notified with more videos. Tomorrow's my birthday. I'm turning 19. I'm excited, but I'm a little nervous because they might show up. I don't know, I'm nervous about that. But let's keep going. So let's keep going with the challenge here. I'm suffering is because my nose is ready to run away from me. I have no tissues in here. Yeah, nothing. I have an empty tissue box. I guess there's one bullet, but it's not a real bullet. I don't know when I'm gonna need the bowl. Maybe because of my burp or the anything. I'm gonna do half, like down to the navel, because if you make the whole entire thing without burping, it's gonna be hard to do. In there. I just wanna make burp right now, but I don't want to, is because the gas is building up because it burps. So I'm yawning because my tooth is hurting. I did it. Nope. Now I did it. No, whose phone that is ringing? That is my mom's. Oh God. The way I'm putting my him up in the clip is because of things about that. Yeah. No wipes. Oh no. Okay. Bye, guys.